Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAK. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I've done this analysis quite a few times in the past, although those ones have all been 30-minute time frames. So we are now in the traditional time frame, meaning each one of these does indeed represent an entire day, not 30 minutes like some of the videos I've done in the past. But want to do this one just because we got to take a step back and look at more so a bigger picture type things, as this current pullback has been quite nasty. And after today's price movement, the momentum only seems to be picking up pace. So what I want to do is just map out some levels of support, and then we'll see, if this thing does decide to settle down around any of these levels. So the next key level of support, and I think the price may have bounced off it today, looking at the eyeball test, but I could be wrong, is right here at about the $1.50 mark. You can see here, going through the history of the chart, $1.50 acted as resistance, and then a foundational principle in charting is when levels of resistance are broken, which it was right there. You want to see it act as support, which it then indeed did there on the back test. And today, like I said, didn't quite hit it, but got relatively close. But point here being $1.50, definitely that next key level of support to keep an eye on, where I'm not saying it's guaranteed to bounce from there, but would I be shocked to see the price come down here and go sideways a little bit and then maybe get some sort of pop to the upside? No, that would not be shocking. But again, no such thing as a guarantee in the market, which is always why you got to be focused on risk management first and foremost. In the event $1.50 cannot hold as support, then that's where it really all becomes about the famous 200-day simple moving average, which is that pink line down there. I'm not saying that if $1.50 breaks within 2 seconds, it'll be down to that level. But after that point in time, it would not be surprising at all to see a slow drift down to that pink line, to see the bears give that a test and see then how the bulls would react to that. So as far as supports, again, $1.50, that near term one, and then if that can't hold, then 200-day simple moving average would not be surprising at all. Like I said, to see the bears go down there and revisit that. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, all about the purple line right there, 50-day simple moving average. This just comes from, again, the principle that we talked about. Levels of support, when they're broken and closed below, which happened there, they tend to act as resistance. So in any sort of turnaround and bounce back upwards, that 50-day simple moving average is going to be that initial hurdle that the bulls are going to have to try to cross. So been getting pretty nasty. Volume's been picking up. But these things can tend to snap back pretty quickly, so worth keeping an eye on, and we'll see how the bulls handle themselves the remainder of the week. Still 3 days left. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.